Coupon codes are a great tool to use when you're running promotions inside of your business, whether it's sending something to your email list, maybe it's a Black Friday, or you have a new product launch that you're doing and you want to give them a little bit of a discount for being a founding member, or even if you're going to speak on a stage in front of a company or group of your ideal audience and you want people to pick up a special deal. Coupon codes are the way to do it. So today I'm going to walk you through behind the scenes how to set up coupon codes inside of Kajabi. If you want to take advantage of a free 30-day trial of Kajabi to play with the platform yourself, you can use my link profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. This is an affiliate link, so I get a small percentage of your investment in Kajabi, but there's no extra cost to you compared to if you went through Kajabi's website yourself. All this does is simply support me and this channel for referring someone to Kajabi. But when you sign up with my link, I'm going to give you instant access to a course I created called Kajabi Kickstart, which is going to help you set up and launch your online business with Kajabi in that first 30 days. On top of that, when you're inside of Kajabi Kickstart, you will have access to a free 45-minute coaching session with me where you and I both get to deep dive into your Kajabi account, and I will be there to answer any questions you have about Kajabi, marketing, or even making your first sale with the platform. All of this is free and you can get instant access by going to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi or clicking the link down in the description. Without further ado, let's dive into Kajabi. Kajabi makes setting up coupon codes really simple. It's really easy. There are a couple things that I've learned just to kind of make it a bit more streamlined to actually get people to use the coupon code, which I'm going to show you real quick. So to access the coupon section, you want to go under the sales tab and then coupons. These are a few that I did. I was launching a product. I did a Black Friday deal. You have these two different types if you're going to create a new coupon. You have single coupons and bulk coupons. So you want to click on new coupon. And again, single and bulk. We'll start with bulk. Coupon name, you can call it whatever you want. Bulk coupons, basically, when you create a bulk coupon, it's going to create a certain number of unique coupons that you can share with people. I never really use bulk coupons because it just doesn't really make sense for my business. But it's kind of like thinking if you wanted to have just 100 coupons available, then you can do it. And they kind of auto-populate random coupons. The only downside though is that you have to click on the coupon to share it. So let me show you what I mean. We'll just say test percentage off. We'll say like 50% off, but you can also choose the percentage or the amount off. And then the amount of coupon codes you'll have to choose. Let's say it was 50. If you were speaking on a stage in front of 50 employees of a company and you wanted only 50 coupons available for half off, or you can do 100% off, whatever you want. We'll click continue. After it auto-populates your bulk coupons, it'll give you a rundown of what's going on. You can include different offers that you want to have inside of this coupon. If you have one or two courses or maybe a group coaching program of some kind, you can grab whatever offer you want. Just click here and select whatever offer that is. And then down here, available codes, that's what's available out of your 50 coupon codes, and then redeem codes, and you can always refresh the new codes. If you click right here, you'll see your 50 unique coupon codes, and you can copy each one. The downside is that you can't really just like point people to a link with bulk coupons. I think you have to copy each individual one and send it to them. So it's not very efficient, in my opinion, which is why I never really use bulk coupons. So instead, what I like to do is use the single coupons, and I'll show you that real quick. We'll go to new coupon, single coupon, we'll scroll down, and let's say that you were going to do a Black Friday deal. So you can use coupon code Black Friday, or you can click Summer 25 or Fresh 25 if you were giving 25% off, something like that. It's whatever you want. Just make it simple, the coupon code. From here, you can decide if you want to do a percentage off or an amount off. So you could say 50% off products for Black Friday. We'll go down here and you could do once. It tells you right here, how many months will this coupon last once applied to your customer? This affects subscriptions and offers set up with multiple payments. So we can decide if we want this just to be a one-time coupon code. People just get one time to use it, if it's repeating over a set of months, or if it's just a forever kind of thing that you have set up. Typically, if you're running a Black Friday promotion, you'd want to do just once. They get one chance to pick it. Maybe, maybe it is forever and then you just come back in. So they have a week, we'll say, to just like buy all your products if you have that many products. Typically, it's just once. That's usually what I do. They get one product that they can get 50% off or $25 or $100 off or whatever you want. And then you could pick an expiration date as well. So after, let's say it's for the whole week, they have that week of Black Friday to buy one of your products for half off. That you can decide what day you want the coupon to basically cancel out automatically. So you don't have to come in here and do that yourself. Okay, so once you kind of decide everything you want to do here, you'll just click continue. Oh, I already used Black Friday. Okay, we'll go summer 25. Okay, we'll make it 25% off. We'll change that. Okay, so now we have a unique coupon code right here. And then from here, you can add different offers. So we'll click on offer, and let's say that I'll just do one of my courses, Effortless Income Basic. You can decide how many offers you want to have. And in that this coupon falls under. So if you have, 5 different products, you'd have to put all 5 of those products in here. What's cool though, is that you can tell people just use summer 25 at checkout, and then there'll be a coupon section where they can type in summer 25 at the checkout page. Or you can use discount link and you can copy that. And what I'd like to do, let's say that you were going to speak on a stage in front of the 50 employees. Then what I think would be cool is if you created a separate landing page. It doesn't need to be anything extreme. We can do that by going to website and then down to pages, and we'll go to landing pages. So theoretically, let's say you're speaking on this stage. You are speaking for a company called whatever, I don't know, the name of the company, whatever it is. You can title your landing page, click here to like book a new landing page. Okay, and you can pick, we'll just do a blank one just to get started. We'll say company name, go to create. From here, I would keep this page super simple in this example. So we'll go to add section and do a call to action. Okay, you can add that. And I mean, theoretically, you can even just get rid of the hero. From here, we'll click on the call to action and we'll make sure that it goes to a URL, and we'll paste whatever that coupon code that we copied was. We'll save it. And then from there, we'll go down to details. From here, let's say that I did speak on a stage in front of the 50 employees. And after having an awesome presentation, of course, I said, hey, I want to give you guys a free gift. I made you can get one of my courses completely free. Just go to profityourknowledge.com/ whatever the name of the company is. And I can change right here, company name. Hit publish. And then copy the link, and I can put a QR code on my slide and make sure that this link is set to it. Or I can even, if I did that, I could theoretically even just use the coupon code link. So as soon as they click it, they go straight to the checkout page and they can get a free course. All right. Many different ways that you can play with coupons. I hope this kind of stirred some different ideas inside your mind. And if you like what you're seeing, maybe you're considering trying out Kajabi. The best way to do it and see if it is right for you is to try it out. So that's why you should check out my link, profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi, and you can get that 30-day trial. But I'm also going to hook you up with a course, and I'll give you some one-on-one coaching to make sure that you can use this program or the software to the best of your abilities to really help you excel as an entrepreneur. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the coupon feature inside of Kajabi, what you like about it, what you maybe don't like about it. And if you have any questions, ask away. And if it makes sense, I'll make another video to answer those questions. I'll see you in the next one.